guys, I realized that I don't have any pic that I can use, so I didn't download any pic. I drew a new picture from scratch, and I called it Creep PNG. This is the pic that I drew. It is 100 pixels by 100 pixels, so it's just a simple picture. So I just want to edit right here, and just edit an image, then a source, then the name of the path of the location, which is the path of the image, and alternate. So whatever in alt, remember, it's everything that we want to write. Let me just say when the image cannot be shown on the website. So what I want to say, I just say my creep picture because I created it, so I will call it my creep picture. It's a JPEG. So we are in this folder. Let me run it in the browser. There we go. So I just want it to look nice. So as you can see, when we tap over this, the thing changes. So let me just change the image. I just want the image to be image. Please, image, can you become, and I would like Korea new. There we go. So I changed the text inside there. So there we go. It's download feature, but now the image is still like that. So let me try to change this one also. Border radius property would be, I just want it to be 10 pixels. So I didn't create any border in the image, hence why the border was not shown. So let me create a border first. This border will be 2 pixels, will be solid and blue. Let me go back, run. There we go. So as you can see, the button is has changed a bit, and the image hasn't changed. So let me try to go back to the image and see what's going on. So I created a border around the image, yes, but I don't see the border. That's my problem, I don't see the border. Okay, it's fine, we'll check it next time. So I just wanted to style my image so that my image can be a bit nicer. So yeah, let me run it. So as you can see right now, with download feature, we click the download and something happens. So we can change the quotes. In the quotes, it can be anything that people quote. So for example, right here we go to quote. We can add a block quote. A block quote simply enables us to write a block of text that needs to be quoted. So for example, satisfied customers. Then let me run it to show you something. So this, okay, and then I say satisfied for, and then I put a site inside here. think that's correct. Put a site inside this. A site snippet. The site will be by Areno Diaz. Areno Diaz. And there we go. By Areno Diaz. So satisfied customer should be my okay, and then block code, and then footer. I have features, so let me remove this because I never use these images. Download feature. So this is download. So let me have download feature. Let me just write download because it looks nice when you write download only. And now I have a section, a block code, a footer. So in the footer we can put a lot of stuff. We can put our contact details. So let us start by putting a list. So an ordered list. So this is my footer. Okay, this not name, just say list, and inside this list, as you can see, I can have little list elements. So this is a list element, and I can call it home, for example. Another one, call it about. Another one, call it contact details, and yeah, that's about home and contact. So yes, as you can see right now, everything good. Let me just run to see what is going on. As you can see, we have the home, about, contact. So everything is already styled. My list, as you can see, it has a green background, and automatically like the points are removed by this code. So as you can see, light green. So let me remove the light green part, and nah, it's fine. And then EL list inline block. I don't know what's going on. Block. Check now. Yeah, as you can see, everything looks like this. And then right here, if like I want that when I click home, then it takes me to my home page, which is this home page, and it click about, it takes me to my about page, and click contact takes me to my contact pages. So it's simple to do that. Okay, I will start by creating first. Let me cut this first. So it's okay. No, let me do this. I cut this, then I put a link snippet with this home stuff over here. Yeah, and same thing about, just bring a snippet and then write about. As you can see, I edited this part here. In this list there was no link. I created a link and I added this as the name of the file, which is this one right here, and then I added the about, another link about the about, which is a page called HTML that I created. You can see the HTML right here. Here is it, HTML, about HTML, contact HTML. Those are the two that I created. So even the contact HTML, I created a contact HTML page. So here is it, and I wrote some code in it. I used the same style sheet that I used for my home page, so the style for my home page and my contact page will be the same. And then I used the header and the division. After the division I used this. So let me run it so that you can see it. There we go. Now I'm editing the about. So the about, let me just write HTML5 snippet, and then it's viewport, and right here it's width is equal to device width, and scale, no, not scale, initial scale is 1.0. Thank you. And this is our about page. And then in the about page I have a header, as you normally know, and it's going to say about mate, no, about, so this was made programmers, and then a division again. This division I will say this, no, I'll create a paragraph. This company was founded by blah blah blah. There you go. So as you can see, I have not added the style first, so let me link it with the same style that I've been using, which is this link CSS, which is called styles. Let me run it. There, you see, it has changed right now. And let me save it. Let me run the whole thing right now. Download to press it, something happens. Press home, we're still in home page. About, we go to the contact, but now we can't go back to. So let me just put some code that lets us go back to our home page. So let me just say a, then index .html, and then go back to home page, same thing this side. Let me just do this, all this. So I need to copy this and then just paste it this side. Paste it right here. There you go. And I can just save and save. Go back and then no, I didn't save this one. Save and then let me run so that you can see. Home. There we go. Back home page. Contact. Back to home page. Nice. So please guys subscribe for more videos. I'm going to develop other videos so that you can understand this hierarchy of coding and stuff. So thank you guys. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.